Find the next three terms of the following sequence: 0, 2, 6, 12 and 20. Using the method of differences, so write those out. So the difference between 0 and 2 is 2. Difference from 2 to 6 is 4. The difference of 6 to 12 is 6. The difference from 12 to 20 is 8. Again, doing the differences here, you get plus 2. Here you get plus 2. Here you get plus 2. So you carry this on. We've now got the same difference. So if we do plus 2 and we add that 2 to 8, that gives me that's 10. And then for 20 plus 10 will give me the next term, which is 30. Carrying along the bottom here, another plus 2. 10 plus 2 is going to give me 12. And then 30 plus 12 will give me 42. Again, another plus 2. 12 plus 2 is going to give me 14. 42 plus 14 is going to give me 56. Therefore, the next three terms are 30, 42 and 56. So this has been a video to show you how to use the method differences to find the next three terms of a sequence. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.